What's up, friends? My name is Jonas Ian, and I'm happy to see you again for another JIESCA tutorial. Instagram has been growing in popularity since its debut in 2010 and has become one of the popular social media platforms in the world.
Wow!
Instagram has been gradually adding additional features as users demand more and more ways to communicate with friends and followers. With the advent of Instagram videos, users can take videos, share them on their account or via direct message, and post them to their story. However, these videos come with time limits. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get around Instagram's limited functionality to post longer videos and get your long videos up on Instagram where they belong.
Yes!
So please, don't skip any part of this video so that you won't miss anything in the process. Hi. Instagram only allows you to upload videos not longer than 60 seconds. If you want to post anything longer, you'll have to go with the IGTV's basic uploader right in the Instagram app.
Okay.
First is, go to your Instagram app and then you tap search button at the bottom and then you tap the IGTV icon on the top left corner. And then next is you tap the plus button on the upper right corner. Now here, you're going to select the video that you want to upload, which needs to be 1 minute to 15 minutes long. So we're going to select this one, in which this video is my official introduction video to my channel. So as you can see, it is more than 1 minute.
Okay.
Now you're going to tap the next button and then drag the slider to select a cover photo or choose a separate photo from the camera roll. So we're going to just select somewhere here to be our cover photo. For example, this one, I'm going to select this, and then you're going to tap the next button. And then you need to fill in the information such as title and description. So we're going to name this one as JIESCA intro video. And then if you want to post it on Facebook, you can enable this one, make it visible to Facebook, or if not, it's also okay. And then you can also write a description if you want, but right now I'm not going to put a description here. So next is you're going to tap post, and the video will be posted on IGTV, as well as a preview will be posted on your profile with a button to watch the full video.
Yes!
So right now, we're just going to wait until it will be finished uploading, and then we're going to check it inside our Instagram app. So the uploading, by the way, will be depending on your internet connection. How fast is your internet connection? So right now I'm just using a DSL connection, so we'll just wait, or maybe I can fast forward this video for you guys. Now that we're done uploading, so you can go back to your Instagram app again. So we're just going to refresh this one. And here you can already see that your video is already uploaded.
Wow!
And when you click that one, so there will be a preview section or a couple of seconds to show your video. So if you want to view your video or your whole video, you need to click this one, keep watching, and then it will be played. So your whole video will be played. So as you can see here, it is more than 1 minute.
Yes!
So that's it. You have already uploaded your 1 minute longer video.
Yahoo!
So that's it. It's simple and very fast to post long videos on IGTV and into your Instagram account, as long as you know where to find this feature. Now, if
Yes.
you haven't followed my Instagram account yet, so that is the name, JIESCA. And also, if you have any questions about this tutorial, please do leave a comment down below. Now, if you have learned something in this tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Once again, this is Jonas Ian for JIESCA Tutorial. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!